Good morning, everyone. What's up? Today is the day bringing the truck in for its first recall. I got a bright and early appointment, so hopefully I'm not at the dealership that long, but we are just arriving here to Toyota. All right, so you guys will see what's happening to the truck. Nothing's wrong with it, but I figured I'd just take care of this issue now. So we'll go ahead, pull up, get our appointment going. I've never driven it away without the keys before. How far can it go?
I don't know, man. I've heard stories of people coming to the dealership and haven't left their keys at home.
Yeah?
Yeah, then they turn their car off and they had no way to get it back on, you know?
Oh my God. Yeah, I've never tried that before. I saw you do that.
Yeah.
All right, so just waiting now. They brought my truck out to the parking lot here, so I think I'm just gonna hang out on the tailgate here. They told me the process should take about 45 minutes to an hour, so hopefully I'm not here too long. If you guys haven't seen my previous videos on what the recall is, this is for the blower fan motor assembly and the whole fan unit and everything. So I think that's underneath the glove box. I don't think they have to go under the engine bay or anything like that, so it really shouldn't take that long. I haven't had any issues with mine, but I might as well knock it out and get it done. So we'll get started on that as soon as they give me a call here. I just noticed too, this isn't even supposed to be parked here, but look at how close they got the truck. Oh, I would have never picked this spot. Of course, that's why I always watch the truck even when someone else has it. Just because things like this, you never know. Someone could have got out. I mean, I can barely even walk through here. Look at how tight this is. Look at it. Ooh. All right, guys, so here we go. If you can maybe see the truck out there, we're heading into bay number 1 here. I don't have too much information on the recall. They basically just told me if your VIN number matched, then you were getting the part replaced. The guys here at the dealer said they haven't seen one coming in that was broken or faulty, so it's very vague about the recall here and what's going on with the blower fan motor. But it looks like he's going around the other side of the building, so I'm gonna catch up with him going through this door. They told me inside that this goes underneath the glove box area?
Yeah.
Is that where you're gaining access? Okay.
I see you got some lights in there.
Yeah, I can shut them off too if they're in your way, but yeah.
I'm not sure if they're stuck on the whole bottom piece.
So if you want to see, it's just adhesived on.
Okay.
Right there.
Gotcha.
Yeah, is that going to be in the way?
Nope.
Okay.
Good.
Cool.
Good. It's on the plastic part.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we should be all right, man.
Yeah.
You gotta give me a little bit of light.
Yeah. I recently just hooked him up to the wireless charger button.
Oh, really?
So I can turn them on and off without doing the headlights or anything.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. I don't use the wireless charger anyway.
Gotcha.
Because
Might as well use it.
yeah. This is only the second recall that I've seen, and this is my second Tacoma.
Really?
One on each.
The HOG, being the first one? The differential?
No, mine was the driver's side carpet and the gas pedal issue.
Gotcha.
On my second gen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you had a second gen?
Yeah.
This is your first one?
First, yeah. Let's
have a look here. So, yeah, you see usually there's a huge tree.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty much vehicle check eligibility by VIN.
Okay.
And then replace with new blower and fan motor assembly.
So, do you know how many third gens got the recall?
A lot.
A lot?
Yeah,
Okay.
got a lot of them. Right there.
Okay. Not too bad.
And that's the replacement procedure.
Okay. How long do you think that'll take? Oh, okay. Not bad.
I was like, it's not going to be very exciting.
Yeah, I just figured I'd at least try to film
Something about it?
something, yeah.
Okay. There are approximately 155,000 vehicles that are covered.
Oh, wow.
And may be affected.
Okay.
So Toyota just saw at the point of where it could have went bad.
Yeah.
And decided to put out a recall to try to get all those off the market.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I figured I'd just go ahead and knock it out, even though I haven't had any issues with it.
Gotcha. Yeah, absolutely. Gotta stay ahead of that stuff.
Yeah. So you've already done other installs on this?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want to be in your way.
No, just usually it's gone.
Yeah. Don't mind me. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to get up underneath here while he's out. This is the whole unit assembly right here, so he's starting to disconnect it. And you guys won't be able to see too much simply because I'm gonna have the camera back here, but it should be like a 10-minute job taking that out and putting in the new one. Luckily, my LED footwell lights are not in the way, so that's always good. I don't have to rip those out or anything. Do you have to send that one back to Toyota?
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. All,
That's it?
All warranty or recall parts.
Yeah.
We end up having to send back to them.
Okay.
They know that they are off the the market.
Okay.
So that's pretty much it, and it looks identical to the new.
Yeah. Okay. So I wonder what's different then.
Well, I believe a lot of these were cracking.
Oh, okay.
We had some issues with that.
Okay.
But we haven't had one yet that was had an issue.
Mine looks normal.
Yeah.
Pretty much the same.
A little bit
different underneath.
Different.
Yeah.
Yep.
Under here.
As far as the casings.
Okay.
So. See? Now they look so much similar.
Oh, okay.
That case ends up
I gotcha. I didn't think it was that easy to do.
Yeah, they're pretty simple.
Wow.
So I said it's not very
Yeah. Yeah.
cool footage.
Yeah. At least people can see it though. See the process
absolutely.
of
Have a little
having
bit more
to do it.
idea of what we're doing.
Yeah. And it's just those, what, 3 or 4 bolts?
Yep, 3 bolts, and they are 5.5 millimeter bolts.
Okay. Yeah, you probably don't want those other lights on. They might blind you a little bit.
Yeah,
more.
a little bit. We'll just plug it in,
And that's it?
and we'll just turn the key on.
Yeah, okay.
Just make sure everything operates.
There we go. All right.
Yep.
That's it?
Awesome.
All right. Cool deal. If for some reason there's an issue with this one, what happens?
I think this is an updated version.
Okay.
I think they changed it.
Okay. I mean, I didn't have any issues with the original one, so I'm just curious.
A lot of people didn't.
Yeah.
A lot of people did. Like you'll hear them come in and they'll be humming.
Yeah. Okay.
There.
All right. I may not even need the tire rotation because I'm putting new wheels on soon. Yeah. Yeah.
Not a problem.
All right.
You have a good one.
All right. Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Yep. Alright guys, so that is it for today's project. Time to go ahead and turn on the truck. We already did the AC test. If you can hear it, hopefully you can pick that up. Everything is good now. So that was a lot easier than I thought. It was just underneath the glove box. They didn't even have to disassemble the glove box or anything. It really only took him not even 5 minutes, I don't think. But if you guys could hear, while we were inside there were some other tools going on. Basically, the recall was on like 185,000 third gens, which is a good number, a good bit. And there wasn't really like a certain part on it or anything where you could tell you needed to get the recall. It was mainly just if your VIN number matched, you got a replacement. So they were very vague on what specs, like if the dimensions were off or anything. I had heard something that the dimensions on these fans might be a little off. I really don't have enough information for you guys. They really didn't tell me anything on that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you have a third gen, comment down below. If you've brought your truck in, how everything's going. Did you have any issues with your stock one before they replaced it? The dealer said that they hadn't seen anybody coming in where there was cracks or anything in them. Mine was perfectly fine. So let me know down below if you've had any issues, if you got it fixed. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next video.